Hello guys, welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to write procedure and call procedure. It is a console application. Add your program from here. Right line, your app start, say hello, say bye. Right line, press the enter key to exit. Say hello, say bye. It is a procedure. To procedure, I write procedure like here. My application, my application. I write here procedure. Say hello. Begin. Right line. Say hello. Begin. Right line. Hello. End. Procedure. Second procedure. Say bye. Begin. Right line. Bye. End. This is two procedure, and it is called by here. Say hello, say bye. Now compile. Your app start. Hello, bye. Press enter key to exit. It is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.